Headless body found on railway tracks in JB, Johor Baru. Police are seeking the cooperation of those with missing family members after a headless body was found on railway tracks near Jalan Suka Ria, in Kampung Melayu Majidee here. Johor Baru South OCPD Astcom Rob Selamat said the discovery was made by the public at 7:53 a.m. on Tuesday, August 13. We received information about the discovery of the body of an unidentified man in an incomplete state. Investigations at the scene revealed that the victim is believed to have been struck by a train while on the tracks. The victim is estimated to be between 30 and 40 years old, of medium brown complexion and with a dragon-shaped tattoo on his back, he said in a statement. ACP Rob added that the victim was fully dressed, wearing gray track bottoms and a white collarless t-shirt. Investigations did not find any signs or evidence of a struggle, nor were there any elements of criminal activity discovered on the victim's body. The case has been classified as a sudden death report. The victim's body has been sent to Hospital Sultan Amina for a post-mortem, he added. Anyone with information on the victim's identity is urged to call the Johor Baru South Police hotline at 07-2182-323.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.